Okay, now we're going to move on to actually some pad holding drills for punches. And we're going to be incorporating the 1 to 6 combinations. We have some gear. We have some focus mitts. We have some boxing gloves. This is the best way to train. So especially with your kids, you don't want them hitting focus mitts, bare knuckles, because they're going to hurt their wrist. They're probably not holding their fist right yet. Stuff that they're just going to learn over time. Plus, too, you don't want them hitting your hand because that gets old after a while because your hands start to hurt. So make sure you get some good gear, okay? So from here, we're going to start in our action stance number 1, all right? And all those punches that we've learned, I'm going to be doing the same exact thing just with focus mitts, okay? So if he were to throw a 1, because this is his lead side, this 1's going to come right at my nose right there. So from here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to meet his pad or his glove with my pad. So go ahead and bring it back for a second. So here, boom, just like that. So when he throws a 1, I'm throwing a 1. Then we got the 2. I meet it just like that. Now from here, I'm going to put the 3 up right here in front of his nose. 3 just like that. And I put it on the other side for the 4, for the 5, and then for the 6. Okay? And these are all targets. So it's kind of like driving. You can see the red light, the yellow light, the green light. Each light represents something differently. So now I keep the pads on my chest just like this. If I were to feed this pad out, he punches with the 1. Brings it back. The 2 brings it back. The 3 brings it back. 4, bring it back. 5, bring it back. And the 6. This is a good way to start. Now, we do it basic structure, 1 to 6. So we go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, make sure your child's breathing. And you as a coach, you want to breathe too. Okay? So, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Just like that. That gets us started. Learning how to hold the pads. Okay? Making sure you're not like just holding them like this and being all over the place. Be very firm in your target. I go here, bop, he hits it. Here, boom, he hits it. I put it right here, he hits it. If I put it right there, he hits it. Now what we can do is do the same drill and just mix it up and do it like 1 Mississippi, 2 Mississippi on your counts. So 1. Alright, so now that's some good basics. 1-hit punches, and we're going to move on to the next clip is going to be more combinations. So we'll get to that next.